This creature survived 5 mass extinctions. It survived open space, and scientists still don't know where it came from. Meet the tardigrade, a creature smaller than 1 millimeter. It lives everywhere, in mountains, in oceans, in Antarctic ice, in hot springs. You are sitting right now within a few meters of thousands of these creatures. They are in soil, in moss, in water, completely invisible to you. But under a microscope, this is something from another world. But this isn't just a small creature. This is possibly the most indestructible living thing in the entire history of Earth. First, temperature. The tardigrade survives at -272 degrees Celsius, 1 degree above absolute zero, the coldest temperature that exists in nature. And at +150 degrees at the same time. No other multicellular creature on Earth can do this. Second, radiation. The lethal dose of radiation for a human is about 5 gray. For a tardigrade, 570,000 gray. That is 114,000 times more. It would have survived at the epicenter of Chernobyl. Its DNA literally breaks into pieces under radiation, and then repairs itself. Wait, that's not all. The most incredible part is coming. Third, vacuum and space. In 2007, the European Space Agency launched tardigrades into open space. Without a suit, without protection, simply attached to the outside of a satellite. 10 days in open space, vacuum, cosmic radiation, temperature swings from +150 to -150. When they returned to Earth, some came back to life and produced offspring. The only multicellular animal to officially survive open space. But how is this even possible? They have a secret. When conditions become unbearable, the tardigrade enters cryptobiosis. It curls into a tiny ball, pushes out almost all water, and replaces it with a special sugar called trehalose. This sugar literally turns everything inside the cell into glass. All biochemical processes stop completely. It does not breathe. Its heart does not beat. Metabolism drops to 0.01% of normal. Technically dead, but not quite. In this state, a tardigrade can remain for thousands of years, and then simply come back to life. Add water. Within a few hours, it crawls as if nothing happened, and here is where the real mystery begins. Where did it actually come from? The theory of panspermia. There is a scientific hypothesis. Life on Earth did not originate here. It was brought from space, on asteroids or comets. Not fiction, a serious discussion among NASA astrobiologists and leading universities worldwide. And the tardigrade is the main argument in favor of this theory. Because it is the only known creature capable of surviving an interplanetary journey. Amino acids, the building blocks of life, have already been found in meteorites. In 1969, the Murchison meteorite fell in Australia. Scientists found over 90 types of amino acids inside. Some of them do not exist on Earth at all. If simple organic molecules can travel in space, why not more complex forms of life? Why not something like a tardigrade? But there is something scientists still cannot explain. The tardigrade is genetically unique. About 17% of its genome consists of genes belonging to no other animal on Earth. 17% of its DNA from nowhere. Scientists call this horizontal gene transfer. But this explains the mechanism, not the origin. Where these genes came from originally, unknown. If tardigrades can travel through space, this changes everything we know about life in the universe. If life can travel between planets, our entire solar system could have been seeded from one source. Mars and Earth exchanged meteorites for billions of years. On Europa, a moon of Jupiter, a liquid ocean exists under a layer of ice. If an asteroid with living organisms ever reached it, there could be life there right now. The NASA Europa Clipper is already flying there. The answer may come within our lifetime. And here is what truly changes perspective. We used to think life is fragile, that it requires perfect conditions, a certain temperature, water, atmosphere. The tardigrade proves the opposite. Life is incredibly resilient. Life can survive where we cannot even imagine. And if that is true, a universe full of life becomes not science fiction, but statistical probability. A tiny creature, less than 1 millimeter, possibly living proof that we are not alone. Next time you look at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there, on an asteroid flying through the void, something alive may be traveling right now, curled into a tiny ball, waiting for the right planet, the right water, the right moment to wake up. Subscribe. Next video, creatures that live without oxygen at all.